Hi guys, this is Nick from ForexNoobs.com with some price action analysis. Today is the 22nd of April 2014 and you're looking at a Euro USD 8-hour chart. While I am doing this analysis on the 8-hour chart because it is the primary chart I trade, this analysis is going to be applicable on the 4-hour and daily chart also. So you can check out both those charts and take pretty much the same kind of trades I would take on the 8-hour. Especially the 4-hour chart, you can take the same trades as I take on the 8-hour. More often than not. So I'm doing the analysis on the 8-hour, but it is applicable on the 4-hour and daily. Please remember that. Okay, so I'm going to be doing some price action analysis here. We're going to be looking at some support resistance areas where we could possibly take reversals from. So we're going to start with support areas. The first support area is the 137.50, which is down here. 137.50 is a pretty strong support area. We've had some pretty decent bounces from it recently. Here, especially here. So this is a pretty strong support area. There are buyers grouped down here. So if sellers push down to here this week, I will be looking for some strong signs of indecision so I could potentially enter a bullish reversal trade. The next support area is the 136.70, which is here. Again, this is a pretty strong area of support. We've had some pretty strong bounces from it. So if sellers manage to break through our first support area, come down to our next support area, I'm going to be looking for signs of indecision. If I do see signs of indecision, I am probably going to go long with the buyers and trade a bullish reversal trade. If you want more information on how I take these reversal trades, there's some links with lots of information on my free strategy below this video. Okay, let's look at some bullish resistance areas. The first resistance area we have on this chart is the 138.40, this one here. Now, this is a pretty strong resistance area. There was a pretty strong bounce from it last week. Some people actually took this trade as a short. I didn't take it because it didn't fully meet my criteria. The preceding trend was quite weak, but it was a setup here. And I am going to be looking for further setups here. So basically, if buyers manage to push up to here, and I see a nice strong sign of indecision, I'll be looking to enter short with the sellers for a bearish reversal trade. Our next resistance area is up here at the 139.40. This is a very strong resistance area, provided some good trades recently. One of the trades was here actually. Pretty strong reversal trade, as you could see, that was worth a lot of pips. So this is a pretty good resistance area, 139.40. If buyers manage to get past our first resistance area, come here. If I see strong signs of indecision right about here, I will be looking to enter a short reversal trade. And again, you're going to find information on how I take these reversal trades below this video if you don't already know. Okay, so that's the analysis for Euro USD. Let's check out GBP USD real quick. Okay, we don't really have much resistance areas up here for GBP USD. It is, wait, let me show you something. So GBP USD has not been up in these high areas since around about 2008. So it is pushing up into areas it hasn't seen for quite a long time. So it's hard to place proper resistance areas up here for GBP USD. So at the moment, there's not much resistance areas up here. There's no resistance areas up here for GBP USD. I will be placing them this week, and I will update my support resistance areas on the website. I've also linked to the support resistance areas below this video. So for now, we're just going to look at the support areas. The support areas are the ones below current price. First support area is the 167.20. This one here, pretty strong support area. It has a very strong bounce, in fact, here last week. So that is a pretty good support area. Wait, let's switch to the daily real quick. Some people entered this trade long on the daily. They jumped in long here because, as you saw on the 8-hour, it kind of stalled here for a long time, but popping it up to the 12-hour, you could see some pretty strong signs of indecision, and some people jumped into this trade because it was a pretty decent setup. Now let's switch back to 8-hour. And as you can see, this is why I'm saying these support resistance areas are equally as valid on the daily and the 4-hour. as they are on the 8 hour, because this is an 8 hour support resistance area. We're looking to take potential bullish reversal trades from this support area because we know there are buyers grouped down here. Now, if you switch to the daily, you still see this as an effective support resistance area, and there was a trade here that some people took that was a profitable trade. So these support resistance areas are effective on 8 hour, 4 hour, daily, and if you trade the time frames in between, it's good on the 6 hour and the 12 hour too. So let's go back to the 8 hour. Next support area for GBP USD is here at the 157.00. This again is a pretty strong support area. We've seen bounces from it recently, so if sellers manage to break through the first support area, come down to here and I see strong signs of indecision, I will be looking to take a bullish reversal from here. We've looked at two pairs, so I'm going to wrap up the analysis for now. If you have any questions at all about my strategy, please feel free to ask them below and I will respond. So thank you for watching and have a great trading week.